can't begin to tell you how much I've learnt since being with you. The adjustments I've made both within myself and with you couldn't have been possible had you not been the thoughtful, understanding and positive person you are.
For those who know Sabeen, the first word they'll probably use to describe her is funny. And in fact, if this isn't the first word you use, then the chances are she'll argue with you until you admit that it is. But for those who really know her, you understand why she's always laughing and making jokes. It's because no matter what happens, she always sees the positive side of a situation. This is a trait lost in a lot of people, but something that I found in her. On top of that, you are also one of the most humble, down-to-earth, charismatic, loving, caring, nurturing, understanding, passive-aggressive and slightly psychotic people that I've ever met, and I wouldn't change a thing about you.
And therefore it gives me great pleasure to declare that you are now legally married to one another and you are now husband and wife. Congratulations!
Your passion, determination, love and care is contagious, and it makes me keep falling for you day by day.
बदले तेरे माही लाके जो कोई सारी दुनिया भी दे दे अगर तो किसे दुनिया चाहिए तू है तो मुझे फिर और क्या चाहिए तू है तो मुझे फिर और क्या चाहिए किसी की ना मदद ना दुआ चाहिए तू है तो मुझे फिर और क्या चाहिए सुनहारिए जिंद जानिए 100 बार जन्म लूं तो भी तू ही हमदम हर दफा चाहिए तू है तो मुझे फिर और क्या चाहिए तू है तो मुझे फिर और क्या चाहिए किसी की ना मदद ना दुआ चाहिए तू है तो मुझे फिर और क्या चाहिए